Welcome everybody to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial for the Simpson Turnpike Cal on how to pick up a drop stitch. Both Gina and I are absolutely amazed with all of your work. It's been really nice for both of us to see how many people are actually taking part in the knit along, and we're just adding tutorials in between the main ones where we show you how to do the charts. So for this one I'm going to be showing you how to pick up a drop stitch in the pattern. I'm not using my own personal cal. I've got this is the one that I used for to show you how to cast on, how to knit into the front and back of the loop, the stitch, and also how to, just to refresh your memory on knitting a row and purling a row. So I have, this is chart, well, I've nearly finished chart 1, and I'll show you how to pick up a drop stitch. When I'm knitting, I would always recommend that you have a crochet hook, not necessarily the same size as the knitting needles that you're using, maybe a size smaller. So these are 4.5mm, so I would use a 4mm hook, or maybe even a 3.5mm hook, but I would definitely have that a crochet hook handy. Put it in your knitting notions bag, and so without further ado, I'm going to turn you to overhead, and I will show you this quick how to pick up a drop stitch. Also, if you have any other questions that you need answering, just put them in the description box below, and either Gina or myself will definitely help you out with this. After this video, my next tutorial will be showing you how to do chart 2A, which is the transition to the border. So it will be a long video. This one will be only short, but it will be a long video for video tutorial for 2A. So let's get to it, shall we? Okay, so as you can see, I've come to do, I'm doing chart 1, which is this one here, and I've come to do this row 19, and I've done the first half of the shawl, and then I've come across, I've done the centre stitch, and I've started on the second, and I've noticed I've dropped a stitch right here. Hope you can see it right there. So what I'm going to do, let me just bring this down a bit more. That might be a bit too. So, okay, so I've got my crochet hook, and what I'm going to do is, let me move that out of the way. So you can see the stitches. So what I need to do is pick that stitch up, get my crochet hook, and I've got a big hook so you can see what I'm doing, and all I'm doing is going under the loop and bringing it up, go under the loop and bring it up, so, and then bring it up, come on Linda, and bring it up and bring it up, and then just take the hook out and put it through, and as you can see it looks exactly the same as the other stitches now. And now I can just finish off, which is 2, 4, no it's not, it's 3. So I need to yarn forward, knit 3, take that stitch off because I've knitted it when I shouldn't have done, yarn forward, slip, slip, put your needle into the front 2 stitches and knit them together. And then I needed 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yarn forward, slip, slip, knitways, and take your needle into the front of the stitches, yarn round needle, and then knit 2, yarn forward, knit 2. And as you can see, where I picked up the slip stitch, the missed stitch, it looks exactly the same. So as I said before, always make sure you've got a crochet hook in your stash, in your knitting notion bag. Let me just bring that out a bit. That's it. So if you always make sure you have a crochet hook, which I always do, along with my other knitting notions, and I hope that helps you. Please, as I said before, if you've got any questions, please just ask, and Gina, either Gina or I are only too happy to help you. As I said again, I keep saying that, don't I? Sorry about that. We are just so delighted with everybody who is taking part in the KAL. Your work is amazing, and please, any questions, doesn't matter if you think it's a trivia question or not, please ask and we will help as much as we can. That's all from me for today. I'll see you all again real soon. Enjoy the KAL and don't stress, just take your time, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye everyone.